Efficient approach of selecting large amount of rows in an Excel file. I have an Excel file which have large amount of rows. Is there an efficient way to select, say, 100,000 rows other than dragging my mouse?
One thing I do is press F5 on Windows, brings up the Go To menu, and in the reference section type the address of the range I want to select. For instance, to select the first 100,000 rows, type 1 column 100000 or A1 column D100000, etc. You can also do various things like hitting Shift plus space and Control plus Shift plus down, assuming 100000 is the end and your range is contiguous, Control plus A to select the entire used range, etc.
I simply use the End key. Start with A1 selected. Hold down Shift, then press End and then. Then, while still holding Shift, press End again and then. This should select everything in a very small number of keystrokes. However, if there are gaps in your data, you may have to press End then until you have everything.
For Excel, Windows 10, Office 365 at least, this is very easy. Click to select a cell within your table of data. Press the End key to tell Excel that you want to select all cells until the end of the table of data. Now press and hold the Shift key and then press one of the 4 arrow keys. All the cells from the cell you first selected to the last cell in the arrow's direction should now be selected. You can also begin at step 1 and select a group of cells.
I have a Mac, using version 16, and do not know where the Go To menu is, so here's an alternative if you need to delete a large number, but not all, of the rows. Click on the first row to select it, scroll down to the row that is the bottom of the range you want to delete. Do a shift click on that row, this will highlight all the rows you want to delete. Click on the Delete menu item in the Edit menu.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.